Hello everyone, welcome back to Flame Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. One of my favorite things to make in the wintertime is meatloaf. I'm going to show you how we do ours. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to get started with our meatloaf here. We got, the recipe calls for 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're doing a double recipe just to make it easier, then it's a straight 3 pounds. And we're going to use 2 pounds of venison. There's 1 and 2. And then we're going to do 1 pound of ground beef just for a little extra fat content. And then it calls for 1 onion chopped. So for a double recipe, we'll do 2. These are already ready to go. 1, 2. Two tablespoons, or excuse me, the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. So we got 2 in there now. 1/4 teaspoon of sage. 1/2 teaspoon of dried mustard. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And 2 cloves of garlic chopped. 1 cup of milk. And 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. We'll mix that all together. Okay, we are now properly mixed. We're going to move it to our pan. Foil pan. We'll get that transferred over. We're all set. Now we can go out to the smoker. All right, grill set for 225. Meatloaf's going on. It's been about an hour. Let's do a little check-in. Meatloaf is getting close to done. The last thing to do is to put together a little sauce for the top. I don't usually follow a recipe for that. I usually just kind of wing it. It takes some brown sugar, ketchup and mustard, and you kind of mix it up however you feel like making it that day. So we'll put a little bit of brown sugar in there. I'd say that looks like about 2 tablespoons. Maybe not quite. Ketchup. And your favorite brand of yellow mustard. I'd say it's usually about a 2 or a 3-to-1 ratio ketchup to mustard. A little more ketchup. add that for the last 20 to 30 minutes of the cook. Time to add the sauce. Not everybody in my house likes it, so I only put it on about half. All right, we had about 20 minutes at 325, and then I bumped the grill up to 375. I just probed it off camera with a thermometer. We're at 170 internal, and we're getting a nice caramelization on that sauce. So we're going to take it inside. Mashed potatoes and meatloaf. I think we better get a bite. Perfect. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.